In this video, I'm going to show you how you can take inspiration from other people's thumbnails on YouTube, create a prompt with ChatGPT for it, and then let AI generate the thumbnail for you. My name is Mary, and let's get started. First, you're going to want to look up videos similar to the one you want a thumbnail for. Let's say you want a thumbnail for your editing tutorial. Find a video that has a thumbnail you like and has a lot of views. Next, just copy the video link and head over to a free video to Thumbnail Converter to download the image. Paste in the link and then just save the image to your device. Next, we are going to head over to ChatGPT. Type in a prompt like this one. Create a prompt for me to give an AI image generator to create a thumbnail like this. You can find it in the description. Then attach the thumbnail image from your device and hit submit. ChatGPT is pretty good at coming up with image prompts that produce high-quality thumbnails. We quickly get a response, as you can see. Now simply copy the prompt and head over to an AI image generator. I have found that Imagine AI provides the best results for this. Select their text-to-image tool and then paste in your prompt. Make sure also that the aspect ratio is 16:9 for the best results. Now, what we're going to do is keep on generating images because a lot of the images generated won't be very good. We have 50 free credits we can use, so we can use up all those credits by keeping on generating images. Don't worry, the credits will reset every single day. Here I am just generating multiple thumbnail images, so I can get the best one. Okay, once you've used up all your credits, it's time to select the one you like the best. I'm going to choose this one. Just click on the download button to save it to your device. Next, we're going to head over to Canva to slightly edit our image and make it look more professional. That only takes a couple of minutes. All I'm doing is adding a couple of filters, cropping the image, and adding the text on top of it. If you want to see my process, you can watch this part. If not, just skip to the end to see the final results. As you can see, our thumbnail looks pretty good considering it took only about 5 minutes to create. Now, obviously, it won't be nearly as good as a human-created thumbnail, but it's still pretty decent. If you run out of credits with Imagine AI, you can always use another AI tool such as Leonardo AI, which I have found produces similar results. Just make sure you're using the Phoenix preset and that the image dimension is 16:9 before generating. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more awesome ways to use AI.